Alright, I hope you did well, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how to complete this lab. So once again, the goal was to create a user and give them full programmatic access to EC2, while ensuring they don't have console access and using best practices. So let's see what that looks like in the AWS dashboard. We'll click Services and IAM. And then, because we want to manage our users with groups, the first thing that I'm going to do is create a group. I'll hit Create New Group. I'm going to call it EC2 Admins because we want to give this person full programmatic access to EC2 instances. So I'll hit Next Step. And then for Managed Policies, I'm going to try to find the best match for what we're looking for. And I see one that's going to fit our needs, Amazon EC2 Full Access. So I'm going to select this managed policy and hit Next Step and Create Group. Now that we have our group created, let's create our user. So we'll add a user, and the name doesn't matter here. And for access type, we want to make sure they have programmatic access, but not console access. So we'll only enable programmatic access here. Next, under permissions, we'll assign them to the group EC2 admins, which once again has the attached managed policy Amazon EC2 Full Access. Hit Review and Create User. And that's all there is to it. So to recap, we were supposed to create a user and give them full programmatic access to EC2, which we've done using the group. We're also supposed to make sure that they don't have console access and to use best practice. So best practice here was using groups to manage our users. Anyway, I hope that helped. That's a wrap up for this video, and if that made sense, then feel free to move on.